Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, universal garage door opener, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, Sirius satellite radio, outside temperature gauge. Come see the car for yourself.